We are here today on Elder Street in Nampa, Idaho. This unit is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit. Enter right into the kitchen, newer finishes, large kitchen island, living room. This unit features 2 patios. The first one is accessed through the living room. And comes with a storage area. Going down the hallway to the bedrooms and bathrooms. To the right is the first full bathroom. Bathroom is large, plenty of room. Directly across the hall is the first bedroom. Taking a left out of this bedroom is the next bedroom. Then across the hallway from this bedroom is the laundry. And then we enter into the master. Off to the right is the master bath. Lots of storage. And then into the bedroom. Bedroom has access to another patio as well as a walk-in closet. This is going to conclude our tour of the 3-bed, 2-bath apartment here on Elder Street in Nampa. If you have any questions or you'd like to schedule a viewing, please visit us at morganidaho.com.